Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken yakhni soup. We will begin by gathering our essential ingredients, focusing on fresh, high-quality components. This traditional, flavorful soup is known for its clear broth and tender chicken, making it a perfect, warming meal. We will cover everything from selecting the right chicken to simmering it with aromatic spices, ensuring a delicious result every time. Get ready to create a truly comforting dish. To start, place your 1.5 pounds of chicken into a large pot with 6 cups of water. Next, add your whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 10 black peppercorns, 4 green cardamom pods, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Don't forget 1 roughly chopped large onion and 2 cloves of garlic. Bring this to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for approximately 45 minutes, or until the chicken is very tender and the broth is rich. Once your chicken is cooked, carefully strain the broth into a separate bowl, setting aside the chicken. Allow the chicken to cool slightly, then shred it into manageable, bite-sized pieces, discarding any bones. In the same pot, heat 1 tablespoon of oil and sauté 1 teaspoon of ginger-garlic paste until fragrant. Pour the strained broth back into the pot, then add the shredded chicken, bringing it to a gentle simmer. Now it's time to perfect the flavor. Season your yakhni soup with salt and freshly ground black pepper according to your preference. For a bright finish, stir in the juice of half a lemon. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro. This aromatic and comforting chicken yakhni soup is best enjoyed immediately, offering a truly satisfying and wholesome experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.